Namaskar, Raj Krishna this side. So let's solve one problem, which is how we can calculate the moment about mean from the given data. So we have been given a data which is the grouped one, but the frequency in the form of frequency distribution. Okay, so now what we have to do that from this data we need to calculate the moment. So what is the formula for moment? So that is mu equals to mu r rather is 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n fi xi minus x bar is the mean, power r. Now xi fi, you know, that is corresponding to different rows which we are going to create. X bar is the mean, r is the value. Here they have discussed the first 4 moments, so we have to calculate right from r equals to 1 to r equals to 4. So let's begin, but first of all, because mean is there in this problem, so we need to create table. We'll first find the mean, and then we'll extend the same table to find the moment. So it is x, then you have f, then because it's a frequency distribution, so we need to find fx value, or rather if you write this as fi, you write fi xi value. For the sake of simplicity, write this as x. So let's calculate this simple table first. Then we'll extend the same for moments. So the value of xi, so first value is 0, corresponding to that frequency is 1. So fi xi will be 0. Then 1, 8, it will be 8. 2, 28, it will be 56. Then we have 3, 56, it will be 150 and 18, 168. Then we have 4, 70, this will be 280. Then we have 5, 56, this will be 250 and 30, 280. Then we have 6 and 28, so we have 120 and 48, so 168. And corresponding to 7 we have 8, so it will be 56. Corresponding to 8 we have 1, so it will be 8. So because we have found this, so if you want to calculate mean, you need summation fi xi, and that is going to be, let's calculate this. So we have 0 plus 8 plus 56 plus 168 plus 280 plus 280 plus 168 plus 56 plus 8. So this is coming out to be 1024. and summation fi, which will be n, is coming out to be 1 plus 8 plus 28 plus 56 plus 70 plus 56 plus 28 plus 8 plus 1, 256. So if I roughly calculate my mean, x bar will be 1024 divided by 256, which will come out to be 4. It's a good value. 4, okay, lies centrally here, as you can see, so it not have to face much difficulty in calculating other values. Now this can be written as 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n fi xi minus 4 power r. Now if for some time we take xi minus 4 as some di, so this can be written as 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n fi di power r. So for mu1 we have fi di simply, for mu2 we will have fi di power 2. So you don't need to worry for fi di, that is basically for the first row, for the second row, and so on. So what we'll have to calculate first is fi di, or simply you can write fd if you are facing confusion, but there is nothing to confuse here. So next will be fi di square or fd square simply, or third will be fi di cube, and because we have to calculate the first 4 moments, so we'll go till r equals to 4, which will generate fi di power 4. I have made di just to shorten this, otherwise I would have to write xi minus 4 power something in every step, which I want to avoid. So now let's generate this table. So fi di, what is di? Value of x subtracted from the mean. So 0 minus 4 is minus 4, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, here it is not fi di, it is simply di, which also I want to write is xi minus 4. Okay, so 0 minus mean is 0 minus 4 is 4, 1 minus mean, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, then minus 1, then 0, 5 minus 4 is 1, now this di, now what was di? So for first it will be d1, d2, d3 and so on. You can avoid if you are facing confusion in this notation. So now next will be to multiply this by the corresponding frequency. Okay, so minus 4 to be multiplied by 1, so it will get minus 4, minus 3 with 8, wait, fi multiplied by di square. So I missed a column for fi di. Okay, So there will be a column for FI di square, then FI di cube. Fine. So this is simply 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, then minus 24, then minus 56, again minus 56, then we are going to get 70 into 0 is 0, then next will be 56, again it will come as 56, then it will come as 24, then it will finally come as 4. Next, first we have to square di and then multiply with the corresponding frequency. So 4 minus 4 square is 16 multiplied by 1 is 16. Then again 9 multiplied by 8 is 72. Then 4 multiplied by 28, 112. Then next will be 1 multiplied by 56 is 56. This will come 0 in each case. Then this is 56 multiplied by 1. So this will also come 56 in one case, each case, because 56 into 1, 56 into 1 square. So 56 in each case. And this will come 56 into minus 1 is minus 56, 56 into minus 1 square is this. 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. Fine. So this will come again as minus 56 because minus 1 cube, and this will finally come as 56. Okay. Now other tables we have to do once again. So 28 into 4 is 112. Then 56, 8 into 9 is 72. Then we have 1 into 4 square is 16. Next is di cube. So 64 into 1 is 64 with a negative sign. Then 8 into 27. This is minus 216. Then we have 28 into 8. 224. 8 into this 9. 27. 216. And 1 into 64 is 64. Similarly, we'll have 256, then 81 into 8, 648. This was left, so this was minus 8 into 28. Which will be minus 1, 1, minus 2 to 4. Okay. This will be 448, I guess. Just the double of this. Just multiplying by 1 more 2. and this is again 448. This will be minus of 648 plus of 648, and the last one will be 256. Okay, above and below is similar, as you can see in this table. So now we need summation of all. Okay, so let's move to the next page. So I am simply writing mu1 will be 1 by n summation fd, simply I am writing. Okay, then mu2 will be 1 by n summation fd square. Fd cube. N is 9 in each case, so summation fd we need to find. So that will be minus 4 minus 24 minus 56 minus 56 plus 1112 plus 24 plus 4. So this is coming out to be 0. So because this summation is coming out to be 0, so 0 divided by 9 is anyway going to give you 0. So the first moment about mean is coming out to be 0. What about the second one? Second one will be 16 plus 72 plus 112 plus 56 plus 56 plus 112 plus 72 plus 16. So this is coming out to be 512 by 9. So this will be 512 by 9 by n is not 9, n is the sum of the frequency which was there. So that was, I think, 256. Okay, so this will come out to be 2. Similarly, fd cube if we find, so that will be minus 64 plus minus 256 minus 224 minus 56 plus 56 plus 224. Again, I think this is going to be coming out to be 0. Let's see, because above 0 negative values are there and below 0 positive values are there. Plus 216 plus 64 minus 64 minus 64, yes, okay, 0 again. So because this is 0, 0 if you divide by 256, again you are going to get 0. And finally fd4 if I calculate quickly, so we had 256 two times, simply I am writing 512. Okay, first calculate above value and just multiply it by 2. So 256 plus 648 plus 448 plus 56. This is coming out to 148. Multiply this by 2. 2816. 2816 will divide it by 256. This is coming out to 11. So first moment is 0, second is 2, third is 0, fourth is 11. I took a lot of time just to show you the calculation, which was unnecessary for your side, but yes, method was just simple. If you want to calculate moment about mean, then this is the simple formula. Mu r is 1 by n fi xi minus x bar power r. So they are asked for first four moment. So R will vary from 1 to 4. Okay, and xi is nothing but the values of x. These are the values of xi. So x1, x2, x3, so on. When I say fi, then f1, f2, f3, and so on. So I hope you don't get confused there. And otherwise, this was just an easy task. Just make the table and then do all the summation of fd square, fd cube, and divide that by n, and you are going to get your answer. So we'll see you with some more problem on this. Till then, you can watch out the playlist, which is the method of dispersion for this particular type. So thanks again.